Hi guys, this is the video to learn how to print out a large worksheet on one page in Excel. So we can see here are some data in Excel. We need to print in one page. So we need to click on view, click on this view tab and here page break preview. Now you have to drag and drop this dotted line to the end of this page like this. Similarly, in bottom side, you will see this line. So we need to drag and drop till the end of this content. So we have just one page. Now file and print. Also you can use the shortcut Control P. Custom scaling. Now click on custom scaling options. Here click on page and here select this second option fit to. Here is the one number. It's page number. Here you can change paper size as your requirement. Then click on OK and print. So this is the way guys and setting to print out large worksheet in one page in Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.